What is that? Hey everyone, welcome to Toys Unlocked, where we are opening day 19, or whatever the store says. It's supposed to be 19, but that does not look like a 19, does it? Whatever, this is the LEGO Friends Advent Calendar, and today we are building a scooper thing with cupcakes. Alright, let's do it. I love this blue scooper, check it out! What a fun color. And I've never seen a piece like this before. It has a little Technic pin, so we know it can have that sweet scoop in action. And let's make its base. Okay, there we go. And now we're going to put this popcorn piece or cotton candy piece right next to it to be the snowballs. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, and the decorative cupcake frosting becomes the actual snowballs. And now we can fling them to our heart's content. But I think the real fun thing to do would be to fling some other items. All right, Holly, you're up. Let's fly you to the North Pole. Oh, wow. That did not work very well. Okay, well, he's the right size to operate the snowball machine. Let's give Clarence the gift of flight for Christmas. Not impressive. I really thought it would launch him into the air a little bit more spectacularly. But that's okay. This was still really fun to build. Again, this was day 19 of our LEGO Friends Advent Calendar, and I hope you'll come by on day 20 to see what else is in store. Until we build again, I'll see you then. Bye!